lecture, we will explore how we can navigate in SAP Analytics Cloud. First of all, when the user will log in, he will get into the main page that is called landing page, and that is the main dashboard page of SAP Analytics Cloud. In this page, there are four types of catalog. There are four types of tabs are available. Four types of pages are available. You can say today, catalog, favorite, and shared with me. First of all, if we go through the screen horizontally, there are the home icon, and then after this there is a search button where we can search anything. After that there is an option which is newly introduced, that is called Just Ask, where we can discover the analytics by using the artificial intelligence queries or artificial intelligence possibilities. After that there is a notification button, and then whatever the SAP Analytics Cloud want to communicate with the user, the notification will show here. After which the collaboration button is exists, which SAP Analytics Cloud gives to collaborate with any type of user, either it is senior user or either any user. So we will explore collaboration in detail in another video. Let's move. After this, there is a feedback button, which if I click, if you want to give any feedback regarding the SAP Analytics Cloud, you can give very easily. You have to agree with some policy, and then you will have to move on, and whatever your feedback will be there regarding any section or regarding any type of feedback for the improvement, for the data entry, whatever it can, you can give your choice by choosing any sort of action. So let's move on. So after that there is a help button. If any type of help you want, you can easily use this button for finding any type of help, either it is regarding any section of the SAP Analytics Cloud. After that there is a profile button where your profile will be set. Whatever the profile set by the admin user, your profile will be shown as per its setting. When I click on this, there is a profile setting, there is a home screen setting, there is a requested roles, there is a new home screen. Then if you want to request any sort of role, you have to click on the request role and then follow the step which required. After this, home screen setting, if you want to change your home screen, you can customize by according to your desire. And for the most important thing, that is a profile setting. If I click on the profile setting, there will be a lot of attractive, interactive and interesting features available regarding your profile. So there is the language, user preferences. In the user preferences there is a language, there is a data access, number formatting you can set, scale formatting for the numeric values, and also you can set the currency or scale and other detail regarding your profile. So when we talk, so a part of the horizontal scroll bar, a part of the horizontal menu, SAP provided the vertical menu also, which is very important as compared to the horizontal menu. So if I click on the dash, the lines button, you will see that it has expanded. Let's I click again. If I click on the cross button, and here it is. You can, when you move the cursor to the three lines button, and the tooltip also showing the expand navigation bar. So if I click on this button, the navigation bar will be automatically expanded. So in this menu there is a home button. If you want to get back into the home from any section, you will click on the home button. After that there is a files button, which is very important. Let's explore the files option. If I click on the file, so a lot of the file application will be launched. You can see the each and every section, each and every portion of this menu, the vertical menu, is a sort of application. So you can say this is a files application. So here it is. The file application has been launched. Let's close it down. Now you can see all the files related work, all the files related option is being automatically added, is automatically shared, explored. So you can find any sort of files here.